the time you had a pleasant time here with us during your procedure. Do you have any questions regarding the healing process?
Yes, what I would like to know is how long after the procedure can I dye my hair?
You will have to wait a minimum of 2 weeks before dyeing your hair. If you wish to dye your hair with a natural color, then you may, after the 2 weeks are up. Before coloring your hair, ask your hairdresser what type of dye they use, because if it is high in chemicals, then it is a good idea to wait longer, 1 month, at least.
When can I go to the hairdresser?
If there is something you really want done with your hair, it is possible to see your hairdresser 1 week after the procedure, but as your hair has been cut short for the transplantation, there will not be much of it to cut. We recommend you go when you normally would, but no earlier than 7-10 days. The waiting time depends on the healing process. If you see that your skin has healed, then you can go get your hair done on the 7th day, but you may have to wait up to 10 days. It varies from person to person.
When can I go to the tanning salon?
It is best to wait at least 2 weeks. Naturally, this also varies from person to person, and how much time you spend in the booth, but try to keep your head covered while you are inside, so your scalp does not burn. The skin in this area may still be more sensitive and burn quicker, which is bad for the grafts.
When can I wear a hat or helmet?
You may wear a light, loose-fitting hat 7 days after the procedure, but only for a short time, for example, while you walk to your car, or go into the shop, or gas station. Try to put the hat on in such a way that its edges do not touch the implanted area. The edges of the hat can already touch the donor area 7 days after the procedure, but not the recipient area yet. Helmets fit more snugly on the head, and are worn for 30-60 minutes at a time. So we recommend you wait 2 weeks. In general, the more extreme the environment, and the longer you are exposed to it, the more you have to wait after the procedure, whether we are talking about exercise or other activities.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. We hope you had a pleasant time at our clinic, and that in a year you will be perfectly satisfied with your results. We look forward to seeing you at your follow-up examination. For similar content, subscribe to our channel. We look forward to seeing you at PHAEYDE Hair Transplantation Clinic.